Hello everyone. I know a lot of you asked me about the books that I have in my mini library and to know what are my favorites. What I would like to do is I will pick up a book and I will let you know what exactly I liked about it and how it can help you if you have this book rather than showing you everything. So we will be covering one book each a week. I'll actually cover those which I have used so that I can give you an honest review about that. So with that, let's start today's book. So today's book is 3D Granny Square books. So now this is by Caitie Moore, Sharna Moore, and Celine Semaan. I'm really sorry if I have pronounced the names wrong, but this is a book which I loved a lot. The reason being, I started using this book when I was pregnant with my son, and I could actually make a animal blanket by using this book. So let me show you the blanket first, and then we'll go ahead with the book. So this was the blanket that I did. I chose to do alternate squares and put in the granny square, the standard classic granny squares in the in between the 3D squares so that it doesn't look very crowded. And let me tell you, the kids love it a lot, especially if they are toddlers. They would love to identify the animals which are already in this, and it is a great educational tool too. So with that, let me show what all does it have. So let's see. So if you look at the cover of the book, you get to see a lot of them. It is not just the animal. You can see the fruits, you can see the rainbow, you can see even the eatables. Actually, there are a lot of, you have flowers. See, you can see a lot of flowers. Oh, you have sea animals like the turtles, the crabs, and yeah, animals, wild animals, and then you have the pet animals. So there's a lot of it. Now you can get to see the fruits and the veggies. So this, you can actually use this book and make multiple blankets the way you want, and not just the blanket. If the dimensions fit in, you can do even the cardigans or maybe a sweater out of it. It is so useful. So maybe I will turn one of the squares into a sweater. Who knows? You maybe just you have to wait and watch. But yes, I love this book a lot, and I do plan on doing, the sea animal blanket or maybe the fruit veggies blanket soon. So if you are interested to do squares, such square and blankets for your kids, or you want to gift, or you want to just make and use it as your tablecloth, be it anything, it is beautiful, and you can actually use this book for this.